welcome back to our channel. So if you haven't already seen by the title of this video, yes, we are doing another Dollar Tree haul. Of course, I mean, who doesn't love Dollar Tree? Come on. So I went in today, I just got home, so everything is just sitting on my table, and I wanted to share it with you very quickly. Also, I will be doing product reviews of these items, and I will be doing some openings and putting them together and testing them out. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned. So moving on to what we got, the first item is super cute. It is this little sign that says love, and it's very, very nice quality. It is actually made out of canvas, so that is awesome. And it has a wood backing. So I really like this quality that Dollar Tree is starting to do with the signs. I think it's great. I will be putting that in my bedroom once I get it redecorated. So that's going to be really adorable. So I wanted to pick up some crafts while I was there. I was actually searching for the Zoom Zooms that Rainbow Bites had hauled. Thought they were so cute. I fell in love. But unfortunately, they didn't have them, so I still went down the toy aisle and found some really cute stuff. So this is a little sticker slash scene pack, and it comes with Ursula in there, it looks like. I hope she's actually in there because she is on the package. She's my favorite villain, so I was super excited about it. Along with the little scene that it comes with, it actually comes with two, so I can use those for doll scenes, which is great. Now, this next one is so awesome. It is actually a Create a Town sticker pack, and it is a scene as well. So you get to decorate a sweet shop, and you have all these little stickers to decorate it with and the scene itself. I thought these would be great for making little doll videos, really quick ones with your miniature dolls or with LPS, and it's only $1. They have tons of different scenes. They also have one where you can build an actual doll house out of paper or cardboard, which is really cool. So I will be setting those up in our future video. The next item is for me, and you won't see a review on this because I'm going to eat it. It is Nutella to go. I was craving chocolate while I was in the store, and since they were remodeling, everything was everywhere. So I picked this up, and I'm going to enjoy this later. They're great if you haven't had them already. They are $1 for that little thing, but they're really good. They're worth it to me. Alright, so I did pick up some of these little candles. I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but there's something interesting about this pack, is why I picked it up. Over here by my thumb, I don't know if you can see that, but it says color changing. So I'm guessing these candles actually change colors instead of just being, the normal candle color, which is like a yellowy white color. So yeah, I'm hoping they actually change color because it says on the package right there, and it was the only pack like it. So we'll give that a test as well. Now the reason I got those, not only because they change color, but I did pick up two of these. And these are little rose candle holders, which I thought were beautiful. They're very chunky, which is nice. And I've never seen them before in Dollar Tree. Must be something new. They did have red and white as well. And I will be using those in my bedroom for decor. So like I said, I did get two of them. The other one is right here. I'm going to go ahead and take it out because I need to put them in a safe place anyway. I do have cats, and they tend to break a lot of things. So here is the other one. And then I did pick up two more of the candles in the jar, and these are watermelon. And oh my God, guys, if you haven't smelled these already, please do. You're going to fall in love with them. If you love the cucumber melon, or it's actually honeydew melon, but it smells like cucumber melon, you are going to love these as well. So I did pick up two of these. They weren't that great as far as the pour. As you can see, it has a huge line or crack in it. But it was the only two left, so I couldn't complain. I really like the scent. And I will let you guys know in our review video how they smell. When lit, that is. And this item is for my mom. It's just a little Happy Mother's Day plaque, and it just spells out mother, and it has little quotes for each letter. I thought it was super cute. It's something that I can add to her gift. Just thought it was really cute. So I'm going to get it for her. And I did get some more coconut oil. I live with this stuff. I use it for my cuticles, my hair, my skin. I mean, you can pretty much use it anywhere and it works great. You don't get a whole lot, but a little goes a long way with this stuff. So definitely worth it. Okay, now my favorite stuff from this haul. I found some eyeshadow palettes. Now I found this one, which is very pretty. I mainly got it for that brownish red color at the bottom. And this one is called Sunflower. Kind of does remind me of a sunflower. This next one is called Lotus, and it has this beautiful blue and green. I'm not too worried about the gold because I have so many, but I am going to give it a try and kind of do a look with it. We're also going to do swatches in the next video. And then these were new and I was super excited to get my hands on them. I haven't seen anybody haul them yet, so this is pretty cool. This is a Lip Duo contour pencil, and it can make your lips into 3 different colors. So you can do the dark, you can do the light end, or you can do an ombre lip. And that is the main thing I got it for because I want to do the ombre. So this one is in Lovesick. So you have like a red and a nude. And they had like 4 or 5 different colors. They also had a black and red, which I was too scared to use. This next one is my favorite. It's called Sugar Plum. It has a purple and then a pastel pink at the bottom. And you can do the dark, light, and ombre as well. So these are going to be super fun to try out. So that's it for my haul. It wasn't a whole lot, but I'm so glad that I found the makeup and the little scenes. I think they're cute. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!